Bajato presents SL 376, front direction indicator for Massey Ferguson MF 275, MF 398 tractors, Iseki tractor, Deutz Fahr tractors and John Deere tractors. And also as a universal application lamp. This is a high-quality lamp with the housing made of A.B.S and lens of acrylic. We have two variant of this lamp. This is front indicator SL 376 and this is rear director indicator and rear combination lamp, which is TL 376. We have two bolt here for the fitment of this lamp on the tractor. Now I will open this lamp. It has two bulbs. These bulbs you can use as 12 volts, 21 watt on this function and 12 volts, 5 watts or 10 watts on the other function. There is a partition here which is preventing the light from going from this compartment to the other compartment. There are two wire on this. Similarly, this is TL 376, this is the rear combination lamp. Now, this also has a double function lamp, where you can put 12 volts, 21 watts, 5 watt bulb. And there is a single function bulb where you can put 12 volts, 21 watts. It has 3 wire for 3 functions. On both the lamps you can attach the earth wire on the bolt. This is a double face lamp. This housing can be used to fix both this lamp here. This is particularly used in Iseki tractor and Mitsubishi tractor. We have the SL 376, the front direction indicator for Massey Ferguson tractor. We have TL 376, which is rear combination lamp for Massey Ferguson tractors, and then we have a double face lamp with the housing in which both this lamp can fit.